What is up, guys? Hey, Manny B here with the Skinny Water Boys. So I got something pretty different, somewhat different for you guys. I've never done this before. I will be leading a fishing class, basically, but I'll be teaching 5 to 12-year-olds about the basics of fishing. You know, they are still young, so I'm gonna be showing them the fish, how to handle the fish, teaching them about catch and release, all that jazz, and then gonna show them how to bait a hook, how to cast, and then hopefully get them on some fish. But it's gonna be a blast. My ears just popped. I feel like we're in the mountains right now. And if you haven't been out here in this part of Texas, I can't say right now because it's private, the private ranch and everything. But man, it is gorgeous. Look at this descent. If you've been out here, whoo, boy. It's like you're literally in Colorado mountains or something, man. This is nice. Might have to put in low gear so I don't have to burn my brakes out. That guy down there is hauling butt. Alright, morning guys. Hey, it is like 5:30, 5:40, something like that. I'm out here just getting on the water. I'm in a little bit something different. Check this out. Ooh. I'm in a canoe. I'm getting a little used to how to balance in it. So I'm just kneeling down towards the middle because you know, Papa's a little big, so I was, you know, in the back, and then the whole front end was sticking up, pretty much. I think that's normal, though. But anyways, we're going to hopefully get on some fish. I want to get out here before all the kids, catch a couple bass, bring them back into the net, and so they can teach them how to handle the fish and all that jazz. Like I was talking about earlier when we're coming into camp, let's see if we can get on some big ones, though. I want to get something big, so I'm just creeping along looking for them, and then try not to spook them too much with the light. And then I'm going to just keep going, don't even mess with them. And then I'll come back and know where they're at. I'll look on the little bank and try to figure out some landmarks so I can know how to get back, or know how to find them back where they were. Alright, well, let's get on. I'll get back to you on here in a little bit when the light comes over these mountains. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate y'all. The frogs are chirping. I had to put on a top water. Alright guys, I don't know how well y'all can see, but I'm throwing a top water frog and they're liking it. I caught one so far, but it was pretty hard to see. I kept missing them. I got the low light settings on. Look at this house right there. I've been getting really aggressive blow-ups, high hits, but it's hard for them to see this right now, but now it's a little bit better. I just had one come smash it right at the edge. So there's a grass line, hydrilla, all this way. I'm throwing it towards the bank and then bring it out. Check it out, guys.
Check that out. There's got to be a spring coming out from this wall. Little feller, where's your mama? A little bit fatter. Come on.
Alright guys, hey, so I just did the fishing lessons with the kids. They absolutely loved it. I didn't film after all, just to be on the safe side, because there was a lot more kids than I thought there was going to be. But man, they're out there fishing right now. I already showed them how to catch. Hopefully they get on them. They got their dads. I taught the dads as well. Yeah, but now I'm going to go fishing, get some big ones. Hope I can go find them.
And these fish want really subtle today. There's gotta be some big ones somewhere around here, man. This is freaking cool. Oh, sleigh ride. Haven't seen any big fish. Got him. Oh, it's a nicer one. There we go. Ah, nicer fish. Look at that. Barely hooked. Need to find their mamas, man. Not too many big fish out here, but there's a whole freaking wolf pack right there. Watch. There's a wolf pack right there of bass. Hey, still better than not catching. They're not wanting the jig. They're wanting it super subtle. Nothing swimming, just falling. I do have Ned rigs. You know what? Let's try it. I've never caught a fish on a Ned rig. And I might say something about the fishing right now if I'm switching to one. Got him. It's a nicer one. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Check it out, guys. Oh, so what I did came right out. I wacky rigged the Ned rig so it can give it some weight to get down deeper, and boom, gets me the good one. Boom, baby. I think we found the ticket. Finesse with a little bit of weight. Got a decent one. Finessing. There we go. See ya, buddy.
What up, guys? Manny B here with the Skinny Water Boys. Just want to say thank y'all so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, hey, so there's a new feature on YouTube, somewhat new I guess to the channels and stuff. It's called the community tab. Let me show you right there. If you click that, I posted a picture right there of a bass that I recently caught. That's an upcoming video, and I asked, guess the weight she was, and I gave y'all the inches to you know, help you out right there, which was 19.25, because I know sometimes pictures can be misleading from the angles and stuff like that, but this fish was absolutely a freaking fatty. The fattest 19.25 inch fish I've ever caught. At the time, I just said guess the weight. I was going to see how many people commented, and then if I got enough comments, I was going to do a random giveaway. And there's so far about 18 comments of people guessing how much she weighed. And I just want to do something for the ones that participate the most and comment, because I know if you do like the, you know, announce a big old giveaway, a lot of people just come in and they might win, and they haven't been here as long as the OG ones, or you know, the ones that participate the most. So I kind of did it on the side, and if you want to be a part of that, so make sure to comment next time. And this, the community side of it, and when I post a picture, if you know, I won't say it's a random giveaway, but you never know. I kind of keep y'all on y'all's toes, all right, guys. So today's winner is, let's see here. I just had it right here. Kelly Mason. He put, it was 4.75 pounds, and she went 5 pounds even. It was insane. I can't believe how fat that fish was, and that was awesome. So thank you so much, Kelly, for commenting. Thank you to everyone else who commented. I really appreciate y'all. Kelly, contact me via Facebook, Instagram, and give me your address, and I'll send you out a sweet little package. And yeah, so if you want to do this next time, guys, make sure to comment below what y'all think right now. If that would be cool to do random giveaways that I won't even announce that it's a giveaway, but you never know. So you just comment anyways, and boom, I could be just throwing them out, weekly ones, daily. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I got a lot of stuff I can, you know, start dishing out, because I really appreciate the support, and without you guys, I couldn't be doing this. So thank you all. Thanks for the love. Hey, I'll see you on the next episode with Manny B with the Skinny Water Boys.